as requested.
They took action to confirm him. Is that what
Yeah.
you said?
Come again?
Did you just say that you remember that they took action to confirm him, or did you mean the finance director?
No, the finance director was the one they confirmed.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're saying you were at the meeting, but you don't know why they didn't confirm the director of admin position.
Yes, I wouldn't know. It's probably, maybe. Anyway, I just.
You said you think that there might be missing documents?
Yeah, maybe, because I think they were saying maybe they didn't have the qualification to occupy the position.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did they request for further documents? Did they decide to advertise for the position? Did they respond in any way?
No, I don't think the position was advertised. I can't remember, but I don't think it was advertised.
And it is the function of the commission to deal with such issues.
Mm-hmm.
And you do not, let me say you do not, do you think that the delay of the commission in appointing a director of admin or advertising the position or even acknowledging to the council why they're not approving the position, do you not think that this has had an impact on the council's work?
So, it has.
And they've been writing consistently for 4 years in respect of that particular position. Is it usual for the commission to not respond to letters?
It's very unusual.
It's very unusual.
Yeah.
So do you know why in this case? I mean, you were at the meetings.
Yeah.
The issue must have come up.
Yeah,
For
because
4
I
years consistently.
I forwarded it to them.
Yes, you forwarded it to them, and then you sat at the meeting where they read the letter, I'm assuming, and nothing. They didn't say, they didn't write, they didn't ask you to write. I mean, you take the minutes, right?
Yeah.
And when you've done the minutes, you forward a copy to the ministry?
No.
You do not forward copies of the minutes to the ministry?
No, we only forward decisions taken.
So 1 minute.
Decisions taken.
How do you forward the decisions taken?
For example, if the commission have decided that we want X is promoted from point A to point B, then that decision is communicated so that the ministry can convey that decision.
Now, in forwarding the points, you do forward the minutes of the commission's meetings. I'm sorry.
Yeah, not so. Since I took over, what I found is I just forward the decision or action points, actions to be taken by the ministry.
And these action points are for the ministry to address?
Yes, in a way it is correct.
Okay, tell me. How do you mean? Or why do you say so?
Yeah, maybe like it's the arrangement I found in place, but again some will argue if letters were coming direct to the commission, perhaps that will help speed up the process.
Do you think, oh sorry, go ahead.
Rather than commission letters passing through the ministry.
Your permanent secretary had also said that one of the reasons why the letters pass through the ministry is so that they can vet the documents that have come for the commission.
Yeah.
Is this correct?
Yes, that's correct.
And how do they vet? Because the letters that come, most of them get minuted to you. Is that not correct?
Yes.
Sometimes it's please, let's discuss, or forward to the service commission.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes.
for the letters that are for forwarding to the service commission, do you think that it would be easier and faster for them to be, because they're coming to the same office? In such instances where there are hypothetically 300 staff to deal with and staff issues arise, if someone has been committing fraud and the issue is reported to the Local Government Service Commission, it would take between a week and 2 weeks, for example, to hold a meeting on that issue. Is that not correct?
Yes.
And the council does not have the power to suspend the staff in question.
Yeah, it will depend on the staff on what category. For some
Categories
categories,
3 up,
for some categories they have the
the
powers.
council does not have the power to suspend from categories 3 up.
Category 1 and 2, that's what the powers they have.
So that's why I
This
said
year.
from 3 up.
Yeah,
Right.
category 1 and 2 translates to grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3.
Okay.
So above that.
So
is-
what
is,
kind of staff are in those categories? The staff, or for further investigation and possible disciplinary measures to be taken against the staff? It would take minimum a week for such a meeting to be convened to deal with this issue.
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't hear.
Yeah, yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. It takes a week for such a meeting to be convened. In the meantime, the council cannot suspend the staff because they do not have the mandate to do that. Is that correct?
Yes.
And the commission will not suspend the staff until they've sat on that issue and